Everyone, for this lesson, we will be discussing about adding and subtracting of rational algebraic expressions. Addition and subtraction of fractions are easy to perform when the fractions are similar. We simply add the numerator and copy the denominator. So let's start by adding and subtracting similar fractions. So, example, let's say we have 12y plus 4 over 2y minus y plus 3 over 2y. Okay, we are going to perform subtraction on the upper part but copy the lower part. So we have 12y plus 4. Take note, this is a negative sign, so therefore this is applicable on both of our terms. So this will become negative y, negative times positive is negative, negative times positive will be negative as well. Then copy the denominator. Now, let's combine like terms. 12y minus y, they were the same. They were like terms, I should say. So 12y minus y is equal to 11y. Then 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 or positive 1 over 2y. That will be the difference of the given fractions. Okay, let's consider our second example. 3x plus 4 over 9 plus 2x minus 10 over 9. Okay, so first we need to copy the denominator, which is 9. Then add our numerator. So we have 3x plus 4 plus 2x minus 10. So in adding this, we need to combine like terms. So 3x and 2x are like terms, so we combine 3x and 2x. We have 5x. 4 and negative 10 are like terms, so 4 minus 10 is equal to negative 6 over 9. That is our answer. Okay, let's have another example. So we have 4x minus 3 over x plus 1 minus 3x plus 8 over x plus 1. Okay, let's copy the denominator x plus 1, then proceed on subtraction of the numerator. So we have 4x minus 3. So this is applicable on this part. So this will become negative 3x and negative 8. So combine like terms. 4x minus 3x is equal to x. Negative 3, negative 8 is equal to negative 11 over x plus 1. That will be the answer. Now, if we are going to add fractions with different denominators or subtract fractions with different denominators, we first find the LCD of that fraction, then proceed on our subtraction and addition process. Okay, so let's have an example. Let's say I have 5 over x times, minus, I should say, x over x plus 1. Oh, as we can see, the denominators are different. So the first thing that we need to do is to find the LCD or simply get the product of the two. But for this lesson, I'm going to teach you another method, which is you're going to multiply the denominator of the other one and the first fraction and the denominator of the first fraction to the second fraction. Or simply multiply 5 by x plus 1 as well as the denominator x by x plus 1, the denominator of the other one. Then do the same with the other. So we have x times x over x plus 1 times x. Then afterwards, let's proceed on distributing the numbers. So 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 1 is equal to 5 over x times x is x squared. X times 1 is x. Minus x times x is x squared over x times x is x squared 1 times x is equal to x. Now, we have the same denominator. Okay, so let's copy the denominator, x squared plus x. Then afterwards, we need to proceed on subtracting our numerator. So we have 5x plus 5 minus x squared. Now we can rewrite it by arranging our terms from lowest to the highest. So this will become x squared, negative x squared I should say, plus 5x plus 5 over x squared plus x. That will be the answer. Okay, let's have another example. Let's say we have 2x over 3x plus 3 minus 2 over x plus 5. We do the same. We multiply the first fraction, the numerator and the denominator, by the denominator of the second, and the second fraction, we will multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the denominator of the first fraction. So this will become 2x times this one, x plus 5 over 3x plus 3 times x plus 5 minus 2 times this denominator, 3x plus 3 over x plus 5 times 3x plus 3. Now, after that, we are going to distribute, or simply first, we need to copy the base. So, okay na yung base natin, or the denominator. So, the denominator is already the same. Pwede na natin siyang i-copy. Now, we can simplify our denominator. This one has a common monomial factor. So, we can bring out 3. So, this will become 3 times x. So, 3 times x is 3x. Plus, we need to find a value wherein if we multiply it, we will get 3. So, 1. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. That's correct. Over, I should say, x by x plus 5. So, we have the same denominators now. So, just copy the denominator. Then, afterwards, proceed on the addition of our upper part. So, in order to do that, we need to distribute this one. So, 2x times x is equal to 2x squared. 2x times 5 is equal to 10x. Then, this one will be distributed here. So, we change the sign. Magiging negative siya. Negative 2 times 3x is equal to negative 6x. And negative 2 times 3 is equal to negative 6. Now, we combine like terms. So, we have 10x and negative 6x here as the like term. So, we combine that. It will become 2x cubed. 10x minus 6x is equal to 4x minus 6 over 3 times x plus 1 times x plus 5. That will be our answer. Okay, for our last example, let's consider the rational expression or rational algebraic expression 4 over x minus 2 plus 5 over x plus 2. Okay, let's multiply this by x plus 2 as well as the denominator plus, now let's multiply this by x minus 2, same with the denominator. Now we have the same denominator, so we proceed on the addition of the upper part, but before that we need to distribute our constant. So 4 times x is 4x. 4 plus 2 is equal to 8 plus 5 times x is equal to 5x. 5 times negative 2 is equal to negative 10. Then copy our denominator, which is x minus 2 times x plus 2. Then combine like terms. So we have 4x plus 5x is equal to 9x. Then 8 plus negative 10 is equal to negative 2 over the denominator x minus 2, x plus 2. So that's the final answer.